So the guy in the office said, "Yeah, it's out there somewhere." Actually, he said it like this: "It's out there somewhere, out there in the boatyard." But I have no idea where to go look. These things all look the same. This isn't going to be your typical survey video. I'm not going to follow the surveyor around and ask him 100 questions, because I'm sure everybody watching this video has seen more than one of those videos. This survey is no different than any other survey. He went through every square inch of the boat, inside and out. He checked for delamination. He checked every electrical circuit, every wire, every outlet, every switch, every light. Made sure even the light bulbs were all working. Checked the microwave, stove, refrigerator, everything. And truthfully, this was the first time that I'd ever been on this boat. I basically agreed to buy it sight unseen, pending the survey, and I decided to go ahead and fly over to Maine and check this boat out. So while the surveyor was busy at work, about half the time I was just looking around the boat, checking it out and dreaming about what it was going to be like when we finally set sail. The boat passed with flying colors. That's a sailing term if you didn't know. It's flying colors, but it did pass with flying colors. There was absolutely nothing wrong with the boat. The only thing he could find was it didn't have carbon monoxide detectors and smoke detectors in it, so that's an easy fix. And the battery cables, terminal ends, didn't have rubber caps on them or something, so that's an easy fix too. So that's literally the only thing he found wrong with this boat. We made the decision to go ahead with the purchase, so this boat is ours. All we have to do is get it to Lake Erie now, which is what we're going to do in June of this year, 2018. We're going to have it trucked from Maine to Albany, New York, and we're going to put it in the Hudson River, and we're going to motor it across the Erie Canal and then sail it across Lake Erie back to home. So every outlet in here should have GFC, right?
Not everyone, no.
I'm all done with the survey on the boat, so I'm going to come and try to find something to do for the rest of the day. Came all the way to Maine for a day, so I got to figure out what I can do for just a little side trip. See what I can get into. So I stopped by the what do we call this? The State of Maine Tourist Information Center. Portland Head Lighthouse, or Portland Head Light. It's supposed to be one of the oldest lighthouses in the country. They say it was built during the time of George Washington. So I'm going to go in here and see if I can get some more detail on this. Came to this museum, the Tate House Museum in Portland, but nothing around here seems to be open before June, which I'm not surprised. I kind of half expected it to be closed, but it's pretty interesting. The house was built in 1755. This whole neighborhood is historic. Well, I just started driving north on US 1, and I'm pretty far north, just south of Belfast, Maine. I'm trying to make it as far as Bar Harbor, but it's getting kind of late. It's 2:22, and it gets dark kind of early here, so I don't know if I'm going to make it there or not, but I'm starving to death, and there's nothing to eat. Everything's closed up here. There's not very many things to choose from even, but what is available or around is limited hours because of the time of year. This place pretty much shut down in the wintertime. So I'm just going to keep driving north. And this is the only road to US 1. It goes all the way from somewhere way up in northern Maine to Key West. Now I'm entering a town called Northport, and I'm pretty sure there's nothing here. It's like all the way back behind me. So I'm just going to keep on driving until I find something to eat. Well, I just drove 4 hours to get to Bar Harbor. So, I guess I'm probably going to just turn around somewhere and drive back. This is the road out of Bar Harbor, heading toward Freeport, heading south again. Those of you who buy mail order and internet catalog LL Bean, this is where it all comes from, Freeport, Maine. This is Freeport, home of LL Bean and many other outlet shops, it seems. The North Face over there. I don't really need anything, so I'm not going to be participating in the purchasing process today, other than this little backpack I bought. Oh, I bet this is a busy place in the summertime.